Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to use Git Clone. Suppose that we have a set of developers working on some particular project, and the developer having a system with the name Dell. On this Dell system, already have the project code. All right. At the same time, a new developer joined the organization, and he is a Unix user, and his system name is Worker2. But he's very new user to this project and he do not have that same set of codes. But that code is available on the GitHub here, right? So how the new developer get the same set of code? So by using Git clone, new developer can easily download all the files of that particular project. So we'll say use SSH and we have to copy this link of our repository. Our repository name is dev-git. All right, and it's have the same set of codes what existing developers have. So we'll come here, we'll see here the command git clone, and after that URL, and we'll hit enter. It'll say, do you want to continue? We'll say yes, and it gives some error related to our public key. All right, so in that case, we'll say ssh hyphen keygen, and we'll hit enter and generate a key for our system, and we'll again hit the same command. All right, it's having some key issues, so we use the alternate here. We'll use the http and we'll try to download it again. Now it's completed. So here it seems some public key issue, so that will troubleshoot later on. We have successfully downloaded that project codes. Now what it did, it's a very new user, definitely Git local database is not available. So when we run the Git clone, it's create a local database as well. So it run the by default git init command in the background. And after that, it's create a directory structure for us. So it will create a directory structure. So we'll say cd devops -git is created by default. And in that, all the project code is downloaded. So we'll see here all the project codes are available, and we'll see here ls minus a and .git directory is also available. So in this way, we can use a Git clone to get all the source code of our project for any new user. All right. Thank you so much.